Ground operations play a critical role in maintaining schedule integrity, meeting passenger expectations, and increasing aircraft utilization. In this episode, we'll explore how Honeywell connects people, processes, and assets to orchestrate operations at the ramp and ensure on-time departures. Honeywell's Go Direct ground solutions digitize the turnaround process, enabling the seamless flow of data in real time and benefiting multiple stakeholders, including airlines, ground handling service providers, and airports. For example, airlines have experienced up to 30% improvement in on-time performance and significant reductions in delay cost. And ground handlers have seen up to 15% reduction in the amount of ground support equipment required, while a reduction in aircraft ground time has enabled airports to open new slots during peak hours. Ensuring ground support equipment, or GSE, is at the right place at the right time is vital to the aircraft turnaround process. Our Go Direct Ground uses smart telematics and analytics to better manage GSE, resulting in improved on-time performance and reduced overall GSE requirements. Information such as vehicle location, health status, and driver identification is provided in real time to the Operations Control Center. This enhanced situational awareness enables ground handlers to effectively manage changing circumstances and plan for peak periods. Safety is also improved. Monitoring GSE in real time, controlling driver access, and geofencing contributes to a reduction in accidents and damage cost. The Honeywell Turnaround application provides an interactive checklist for the turnaround coordinator, digitizing this notoriously manual process and transforming it from reactive to proactive. The mobile app walks the coordinator through the turnaround process, providing alerts when specific services need to start to ensure an on-time departure. Real-time status is fed back to the Operations Control Center, providing airline operations teams with visibility of ground operations across the fleet and enabling allocators to act before aircraft are delayed. In service, one operator experienced a 30% improvement in on-time performance after implementing the solution. Organizing a multi-skilled workforce to meet task and service level requirements in a highly variable environment is hugely challenging. Our resource management solution automates the process, monitors the day-to-day allocation, and manages rosters to fit operational needs. Fast reactions to changes such as arrival delays, tail swaps, and sickness are managed dynamically. Employee needs such as shift preferences and holidays are also taken into account. The potential benefits are significant, with the system demonstrating up to a 20% reduction in resource cost. Go Direct Ground optimizes the operations on the day of flight, where all information flows freely to the right person at the right time, enabling the right decisions to avoid disruptions or recover painlessly.